Hello everyone. In today's video we'll be seeing how to cut curved shapes, the shapes that have curves in them. And before I would start, I would like to say that I'm not an expert, but I'm just sharing my learning experience with you all. Okay, so I'm learning in the process too. So let's begin. Okay, so here I've drawn few shapes already which has curves in them, like circle, um, what is this, a heart in shape, and a cylinder with curves at the ends. Okay, so remember to keep your cutter perpendicular, that is 90 degrees, and without much pressure just go straight on the paper like that. It's better to do whatever cut that you can do without moving the paper first. It will be easy. Then you turn your page. Okay, and just curve your blade like that and go on the line just like that. Yes. Okay, sometimes you may go nearby, but that's fine. Here again. Don't keep continuing, stop in between to keep the angles perfect. Okay, so that's what I said. While cutting I cut nearby, so what I'll do is I'll just trim it away, that's all. The shape is intact. Okay, now next we will do this heart in shape. See, as told earlier, I'll be cutting those parts for which I needn't turn the page. Okay, like that, slightly curve it, that's all. And if you can, like, without shifting the paper, yeah, you can do it, right? Just go on the line. Now turn the page and slightly wiggle it along the line like that and cut it away. See, it's very clean. While you are learning or while you're cutting, sometimes it may not be very clean and neat. Doesn't matter, just keep the faith and practice. You will get there. Okay, sometimes it may go out of the line, it may go inside the line, doesn't matter, just carry on. Okay, it's always better to do in small portions for curved lines. Don't do it continuously, it may not give you perfect shape. Okay, here, see, I went inside, just trim it off like that, that's all. See, this is from the back side. Yeah, let's do the circle. Stop where your hand, cannot move further, like you have to bend it too much, then turn the page. Okay, if you do it continuously, then you may not get that curved shape, it may go straight. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you some of my paper cuts. There we go. So this is how we do the curved shapes. I hope it was clear. Thank you. Here are few of my paper cuts. These are leaves. These I hand drew the shape and I cut it. You can use these for as embellishments in scrapbooks or other things. This is another one. It is a very delicate piece, as you can see. I was so happy when I cut this. It's so beautiful. And this one is flower of life pattern. Again, these have curved shapes. It looks beautiful when you cut them. This is an illusion. This is mainly of straight cut, and if I don't know if you can see the illusion there. Yeah, that's very beautiful design. Another one. This is like a jali design, if you can call it. I recently did this one. I'm still improvising on cutting small circles. I will let you know in the next videos how to do small shapes. And this one is like a rangoli, or you can call it a mandala, and it is very beautiful. I love it. Thank you.